Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to remove background signature. First of all, we open Microsoft Word on our PC. After that, click on Insert and then click on Picture. After that, select the picture from your PC. Once the picture is in Microsoft Word, click on Format. After that, click on Correction. Then, go below and click on Picture Correction option. And then, right here, we will sharpen this to 100. After that, increase the brightness to 50 and then increase contrast to 50. After that, close this small window. I think our adjustments are not working well, so again, open Corrections. Also, open. Now, we will increase brightness to 70. Now, turn it into it. After that, close this tab. Now, you can see this is looking good and the background has almost been removed. After that, click on Format. Then click on Crop. Then, crop this picture to the very end. After that, click outside the picture and then right-click on the image. After that, click on Save as Picture and then select the folder. After that, write the name of the picture to save, then click on Save. After that, now we will see how our pictures look. Now, you can see the background of this picture has almost been removed. That's the way to remove background signature. If you want to learn more about this, please comment in the comments section. And if you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.